One of the tools we're going to use in this course to help us learn a little bit about how to program is a tool called CodingBat. CodingBat is an online tool that allows us to practice coding, and it will automatically check our implementations to make sure they work correctly. In order for this to work right, what you need to do is to set up an account. And then after you set the account up, you need to link the account back to me so that I can see your progress on the CodingBat problems. So let's get started doing that. First off, we want to go over here to this Create Account tab and create an account. In your case, you're going to use your MSOE email. I already have created an account with my MSOE email, so I want to use my own email or a separate email. So I'm going to use this separate account and put in some sort of a password that you are familiar with, not your good MSOE password. So we've created our account, we have our account. Now what you want to do is go into Preferences, and you want to share this with me as your instructor. So you're going to put this in here, my email address shilling at msoe.edu, and in the memo area here what you want to do is put in your name so that I can see that. Click on share, whoops, and should have done an update memo as well. If for some reason you wanted to update your password at any given point in time, this is in here to allow you to update things. So now that we have done this, we want to go into CodingBat to essentially the home page. Notice that CodingBat is set up. It will allow you to do both Java and Python. We're going to ignore the Python part for right now and only work with the Java part. You'll click on the different types of problems. So for example, I want to click on warm up here, and the example I'm going to do is one called last digit. So the problem will give you a definition, a description of what the code is supposed to do, and you have a dialog box here where you'll actually implement it. So in this particular case, given two non-negative int values, return true if they have the same last digit, such as 27 and 57. Note that the mod operator computes remainders, so 17 mod 10 is 7. Ooh, hey, they're giving you a hint on the solution to the problem. So what I would do in here is, for example, write some code here. And maybe I'm going to start out bool ret val, like so, equals false. And then maybe I'm going to do if a mod 10, whoops, a mod 10, like so, take the modulus of it, and I want to say it's not equal to b mod 10, like so. Then what I'm going to do is return true, like so. So if a modulus 10 is not equal to b modulus 10, I'm going to return true. That's the algorithm I'm coming up with right now. Okay, so I have that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Go. Compile program, cannot find, oh yeah, because I misspelled it. That should be Boolean. Now let's try that again. Click on Go. Compile problems, missing return statement. Oh yeah. I should do this a little differently here. Something like ret val equals true, and then return ret val, for example. All my tests are failing. So what'd I do wrong? Last digit, 7 and 17 should be true, but I returned false. 6 and 17 should be false, but I returned true. Let's see. A mod 10 for 6 is going to be 6. A mod 17 is 17. Oh, that's my mistake. That should have been an equal sign there. So I go through, I can fix this, and now I can run the program. And when all is said and done, I've got everything that is all correct. So I've just now worked through one example of a CodingBat problem, and you will be doing multiple CodingBat problems as part of your training and tutorial work for this course. So with that, I'm going to bring this video to a conclusion.